Are you looking for the best folding TV trays in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding TV trays that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Ehemko Table TV Tray. Ehemko Table TV Tray has a stylish design. The base of the tray is made of metal material. The top of the tray has MDF construction with a black finish. It has a silver base color and top black color. It is a set of 2 table TV trays. The company also offers beige and white tops. This means you have versatility in color selection to meet your room's decor. Since it has MDF construction, it is lighter in weight than the wooden table TV trays. Also, this makes the product easy to carry. The open size dimensions are 19 by 15 by 26 inches in width, depth, and height respectively. It has an X-side design making it a sturdy TV tray. Number 4. Sofia plus Sam Sofa Table TV Tray. The Sofia plus Sam TV tray is an ideal solution for reading, eating, or using all of your electronic gadgets while watching your favorite TV shows, movies, or play video games. It is a good lap tray, which you can use anywhere in your home, such as working from your couch's comfort, sofa, or chair. You can accommodate on it a 13-inch or 15-inch laptop. You can also use a PC mouse on it because of enough spare space. One of the interesting features of the Sofia plus Sam sofa is smartphone and table slots, which allow the user to see messages, emails, and incoming calls easily. It works perfectly chair and couches with around 17 inches and 21 inches of seat height. Keep in mind that this product requires proper assembly. Number 3. Lifetime Adjustable Folding TV Tray. The unique features and fully functional properties of the Lifetime Adjustable Folding TV make it one of the best folding TV trays. You can adjust the height settings to 24, 26, and 28 inches. Lifetime Adjustable TV Tray is suitable for a wide range of applications including home, crafts, office, and outdoor activities. The dimensions are 26 by 18 by 24 inches in length, width, and height respectively. Also, it is a lightweight product that allows you to fold it flat for easy storage and transport. According to the manufacturer, the folding measurements are 40.4 by 17.9 x 1.8 inches in length, width, and height respectively. The most interesting feature of the Lifetime Adjustable TV Tray is that its top is protected from UV rays. It is also easy to clean because the Lifetime has made it stain resistant. The material of the frame is powder-coated steel. It has a 0.7-inch diameter for leg tubing. It is constructed of high-grade polyethylene that provides better strength and durability. Number 2. Amazon Basics Classic Folding TV Trays. Amazon Basics is a popular product category from Amazon, which presents a set of 4 folding trays. These come with respective matching storage rack. These are sturdy TV trays made of strong wooden material. The classic folding TV tray has a wide table on the top surface. Not only you enjoy snacks or dinner in front of your TV, but you can also use it as a playtime or work surface. Moreover, each tray in the set of 4 can be folded flat and fitted into a storage rack for comfort and convenient saving of space. The Amazon Basics Classic TV table is ideal for modern homes. Number 1. AbleLife Universal Swivel TV Tray. AbleLife Universal TV Tray has a modern design that comes in a brown-colored frame. It has an appealing bamboo finish that meets the decor of your room. It is a fully adjustable TV tray and you can customize it according to your comfort and room furniture. The AbleLife tray provides height adjustment of 24 to 32 inches. You can adjust the base lengths from 25 to 35 inches. AbleLife TV tray measures 20 by 15 inches that provide plenty of room, allowing you to use it as a home PC desk, laptop stand, and writing desk. Its swivel motion is 360 degrees and supports up to a weight of 30 pounds. Interestingly, it has grip stability pads, which offer stability, durability, and adjustment to the distance between the back and front legs of your chair or couch. This allows you to protect the floor from damage.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.